Hi everyone, I'm Vy Pham Haq from Immigration Global. Welcome back to this segment. Today we'll be discussing about B2 visa. Most of you know this as visiting visa. So we have a lot of calls or consultations with our potential clients asking certain questions such as, I don't have assets, I'm young, I don't have relatives in America, can I still visit America? I don't want to stay there, I just want to visit for a couple weeks or a couple months just to know what it is because I've never been. Can I do that and come back? Those are the questions that I will be addressing today for you. So first of all, what is a B2 visa? Most of you know B2 visa as a visiting visa or a B1 as well, but B1 is for the purpose of job. So if you go there just for scouting for a job for about 6 months, so the maximum of B2 and B1 visa, the maximum stay is about 6 months. But the visa itself is about a year. So what's the difference, people often ask? The difference is that a year visa is that within that year, you can go anytime you like. 6 months is the amount of time that you are allowed to stay in the United States. Is everyone will have a 6 months maximum stay in the United States? The answer is no. So when you cross immigration at the airport, the immigration officer will stamp your visa. That's when you know how long you can stay in America. So just make sure to look at your passport when it's stamped and know when your expiration date is. That's the most important. Also be aware that you can't stay, let's say immigration officer give you 6 months. You can't stay 6 months and a day. People often ask, Attorney V, why can't I it's just a day, what's the big deal? Because even if it's a day, you are overstaying your visa. So when you come back to Vietnam and you reapply again for your B2 visa, you will have a hard time and they will deny you that visa. The reason why is you overstayed your visa, even though it's just a day. So be very careful about not overstaying your visa. That's often the other question I often get asked is, I'm about 25. I have no assets. Can I visit America? The answer is yes, you can. Because what do they look at when they look at the B2 visa? Is your intention. Are you more likely than not overstaying or staying in the United States? So if you don't have assets, you're 25, but you truly just want to go there and visit and come back, and you're really sincere about it, the immigration officer will know and will let you go. So it's all about showing up for your interview and make sure that you genuinely tell them that yes, I am only there to visit America and will be back when my visa expired. So that's really important. The other question I get asked is, if I'm in the United States and something happened to myself, I'm sick, or I need to take care of my family member, they really need me, an emergency situation came up, can I extend my visa? The answer is absolutely yes. With that being said, you have to extend your visa when it hasn't expired. Like for example, if it's 6 months, make sure you renew that visa, your B2 visa, when you know right away that you need to stay, or when you're sick, renew it right away. Don't wait until it expired and then renew it. Don't do that. Then you'll be overstaying your visa. The other question I often get asked is, I came to visit United States and I fell in love with someone, or I really like going to school here. Can I change my B2 visa to another type of visa? The answer is absolutely yes. Because when you come to United States, B2 is an intent. Your intention was only to visit United States and come back to your country. We often change our minds, right? So once you're there, let's say 3, 4, 5 months, and you decided that you fell in love with someone or that you decided to school, yes, you can change your visa to another visa. Another question is, can I work with my B2 visa? I'm just helping out with someone, or I'm just helping with my family, they're going to just give me just a very minimal amount of money. The answer is absolutely no. You can't not work under the B2 visa. Because what is the purpose of the B2 visa? The purpose is for you either to visit your family or only for tourism. So working is not on the B2 visa, and that would be violating the B2 visa. So the answer is no, you can not work under the B2 visa. I hope that this session has been very informative for you, and that if you have any questions, concerns, the link is below, all the information is below. Give me a call and we'll continue our consultations. All right, bye.